What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And I just want to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. It's a platform I use to spread knowledge on how to make money online and also personal development. So today's subject, I will be talking about 5 questions to develop a growth mindset. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And let's go ahead and get right into this. Alright, so 5 questions to develop a growth mindset. Number 1, the question you should ask yourself is, what did you learn from today's performance? This is moreover for me, it's more about self-awareness. Like, what are you doing and how you're doing it? And, what did you learn from it? So right here is, what did you learn from your performance today? So that's number 1 question you should ask yourself for a growth mindset. Number 2 should be, what steps did you take to make yourself successful today? Did you plan yesterday in order to become successful today? What steps did you take? Look at that and write it down to kind of make yourself a little bit more clearer of what you're trying to do, so you could grow throughout your whole process of either creating more content or just becoming a better person. Like I said, this is some personal development right here. Number 3, here's a question you should ask. How did you keep going when things got tough? Now, if you have a full-time job or if you have a family, these are things you should ask yourself, like, how are you pushing yourself? Because if you realize what it is that you're doing that is tough, things that are tough, then you can realize what you can do to get through them. So you can use that as a strategy also whenever you reach something that's tough in your future too. Number 4 is, what are some different strategies you could have used? That's why it's good to write down and go through these 5 questions to develop a growth mindset. You got to look at different strategies that you used the day before or whatever and see, like, oh, okay, well, I should have used this strategy or that strategy, whether that strategy is, oh, I should have, wrote a little bit more in my blog, or I should have talked to more clients, or I should have read a little bit more today, to increase my growth mindset. These are different strategies you could have used, and just ask yourself that question. What are some that I could have used for today? And last but not least, number 5 is, what can you learn from your opponent today? Your opponent actually could be, like your mentor. It's not really somebody that you really try to be against. It could be more of your opponent could be somebody that you actually look up to, someone that you're learning from, so that you could either become like them or better than them. So what is it that you could learn from your opponent today? And if you go online, there are plenty of people who are successful within personal development, successful within making money online. What is it that you can learn from them today? Was it that you saw them being very consistent? Was it that you saw them, always posting videos? What is it that you can learn from them today? So these are 5 questions to develop a growth mindset. I appreciate you watching this video. If you are looking into create an income online, you could click on my links below. I do have some links below this video that will show you how to create an income online to live the lifestyle that you would like to live. All right, thank you for watching. This is Eric Gill Jr. with Residual Knowledge TV, signing off. See you on the other side.